Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about a Porsche Cayman GT4 in an absolutely stunning colour. And what we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is our very common now Apple CarPlay and Android Auto conversion into the factory screen. I'm going to be jumping in the car, showing you exactly what we've done and also how the system looks, behaves and all that functionality that you guys, if you own one of these cars, could have in yours. So join me, we'll jump inside. So what's changed on the inside of this Porsche GT4? Obviously stunning interior, and to keep it all original looking, we've integrated the CarPlay kit. So this is the factory Porsche system, the way it displays, obviously a little bit dated, not too interactive. What we're going to do is press and hold this button here. Instantly flicks over and shows Apple CarPlay. One really nice thing about this is the fact it works with Android Auto as well. These systems are wired connections, so it works from a physical wire that we run into the glove box on this occasion. That then plugs into your iPhone or Android phone, and then you get the connectivity live on the screen. One really cool thing as well to mention is the fact, obviously, it's colour now. Obviously, before on the Porsche system it wasn't, so that's quite a nice little feature. As you can see on here, I've got all my phone calls listed, my messages, WhatsApps, Google Maps, it's everything is literally here. So on the actual screen itself, we've got Google Maps, Spotify integration. If you've got a radio station like TalkSport, that is all there as well. So you can keep up to date with your latest activities and obviously call as you please. And obviously you've got Waze and pretty much everything you could possibly need when driving a vehicle. Obviously, it's really nice that it's fully integrated and it's wired CarPlay and Android Auto, so it means it's charging your phone at the same time. Not only that, you've also got the addition of obviously the hands-free system. We've got a little microphone which is on the top, just hidden away behind the mirror there. But overall, really nice amount of functionality added into the car, stock look, and you've also retained all of the factory stuff as well. And it's so easy just to click in and out of the CarPlay kit, just like that. If you're interested in having this exactly the same solution installed in your vehicle, we've got a couple of options for you. You can either come by and see us. We'll go through all of the details, pricing and spec with you when you come in and see us. Alternatively, send us over an email. All of our contact details is in the description below. Send us over an email with a load of pictures of the car, exterior, interior, screen turned on, software versions inside the settings menu, your entire dashboard. We need loads of pictures sent over to us. From there, we'll be able to send you an accurate quote emailed over to you. In terms of the install, it can all be done in the day, just like we've done on today's work. But another really cool thing is we can actually add integrated reversing cameras if your car doesn't have that as well. But drop us an email or come by and visit us, see the showroom, see the workshop where your car's going to be worked on. But thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button, like today's video. We'll see you on the next one.